Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video, I'm going to show you how to make image transparent using Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, on the bottom of your screen, you can see a small plus sign. Tap on it and select the image you want to make transparent. Now, select using a new design. And you can see there's the option like elements, text, camera roll, brand, design, uploads at the bottom of your screen. You have to select the image and you can see new options like replace, style, effects, filter, adjust, crop, flip, animate, transparency layers, position and more. Tap on transparency and adjust the slider button there. All you have to do is decrease the transparency, and guys, that's it. That's how you make the image transparent using Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.